Hey everyone, it's Bella. We're out in the garden today, and I'm so excited to share some of my favorite gardening tips with you. Today, we're going to explore 10 amazing benefits of putting just 1 spoonful of baking soda in your garden. Ready to learn how baking soda can transform your gardening routine? Let's dive in. Our gardens are havens for beneficial insects and pollinators, but sometimes unwanted pests like aphids, ants, and slugs can take over. Baking soda can help deter pests without harming your plants or the good guys in your garden. To use baking soda as a natural pest repellent, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of liquid soap and a gallon of water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and spray it on affected plants to keep those pesky critters at bay. Fungal diseases, like powdery mildew and black spot, are a gardener's worst nightmare. Baking soda has antifungal properties that can help prevent and treat these common fungal diseases. To use baking soda as a fungus fighter, combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water and a few drops of liquid soap. Spray this mixture on plants weekly as a preventative measure. Use it to treat existing fungal infections. Weeds. They seem to sprout up in the blink of an eye, don't they? Baking soda can help with weed control too. To use baking soda for weed control, simply sprinkle it directly onto those pesky weeds, especially those in hard-to-reach areas. You can also sprinkle it around the edges of your garden beds to discourage new weeds from popping up. Maintaining the proper pH balance in your soil is crucial for healthy plant growth. Baking soda is naturally alkaline, which means it can help raise the pH level of your soil. To use baking soda as a soil pH balancer, sprinkle a small amount around the base of your plants and gently work it into the soil. Tomatoes. They're the stars of the summer garden, aren't they? Baking soda can actually enhance the flavor of your tomatoes. To sweeten your tomatoes with baking soda, sprinkle a small amount around the base of your tomato plants, being careful not to get it on the leaves. Just sprinkle it lightly around the base of the plant and let it work its magic. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce waste and create nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Baking soda can help balance the pH levels in your compost pile, preventing it from becoming too acidic. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda into your compost pile every now and then, especially if you've added a lot of acidic materials. We all love vibrant, abundant blooms in our gardens, don't we? Baking soda can actually encourage more blooms on certain flowering plants. To give your flowering plants a boost with baking soda, add a spoonful to the soil around your plants and water well. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Composting is wonderful, but let's face it, sometimes it can get a little smelly, right? Baking soda can help neutralize it without harming the beneficial microorganisms. It's a natural and effective way to keep your compost area smelling fresh. Simply sprinkle baking soda sparingly over the surface of your compost pile to absorb odors. Our garden tools work hard for us, don't they? It's important to take good care of them so they'll last for years to come. Baking soda is an excellent natural cleaner for garden tools. To clean your garden tools with baking soda, make a paste with baking soda and water, then use it to scrub your tools. Rinse them off and dry them thoroughly to prevent rust. Cabbage, kale, broccoli, and other plants in the brassica family are garden favorites, but they can sometimes be targets for cabbage worms and other pests. Baking soda, when combined with flour, creates a dusty barrier that deters pests from munching on your brassica plants. To protect your cabbage family plants, mix baking soda with flour in equal parts and dust this mixture over the leaves of your plants. Well, there you have it, 10 surprising benefits of baking soda in your garden. Ready to put baking soda to work in your garden? Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed. Happy gardening and enjoy the amazing benefits of baking soda in your garden.